What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and look what I got. I have the Cyberpunk 2077 edition, limited edition from OnePlus. I picked this up from a buddy of mine. He let me unbox this on the channel. A good friend of mine, Andreas, I want to say a big thank you to him. This is an exclusive limited edition. You can only get this phone from China. You can import it in. Now, the regular OnePlus 8T costs around $749. This costs, if you import this in, it's going to cost you around $850 to $1,000. It may come down in the coming months. Now, this is a themed phone from OnePlus that is themed after the Cyberpunk 2077 video game that should be dropping in December for all your gaming needs there. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this. Interesting box here with this all yellow here. Let's go ahead and pop this open here. This is an exciting unboxing. Now this box, as you can see, is going to be very interesting. Look at that. You get the yellow with the black. Now this here is what you call Night City. That's from the video game. It's a digital world there in the video game. Night City is right here. If you follow anything about Cyberpunk, and I don't claim to be an expert, I love smartphones, I love technology. That's what I'm an expert in. I'm not an expert in gaming, but this is pretty cool. So now, as you can see there, OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition. Very nice boxing, very nice packaging on both sides, as you can see there. OnePlus does some good stuff when it comes to their unboxing, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Now, I was gonna do it all fancy with music and stuff, but you know what? Let's experience this together. There's the inside of that. As you can see, you get the Cyberpunk branding there, OnePlus. Let's go ahead and check out and see what's inside here. You get some OnePlus stickers, the yellow ones there, which are kind of cool. You get your SIM ejector tool. Also, this card here, I'm not going to open it because I don't want to, but this is the lyrics from a song in the game. So that's kind of cool. And then you get this poster here. That is kind of neat. Go ahead and open that up. Thank God for wide angle, huh? That's pretty cool. It's got an arm with like a motorized thing, and then your OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition. And then this is in Chinese, so I don't know if you guys can read that, but it is in Chinese. It's about the phone, everything about the phone, that kind of thing. Maybe some stuff there about the video game. I don't read Chinese, so I couldn't tell you exactly what that means. We're gonna go ahead and put this in here. And here is the phone. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the phone here. Look at this. As you can see there, it has the camera module there with the 2077 branding for Cyberpunk, which is kind of neat. And then you get your Cyberpunk here on the bottom, which is kind of dope. And then you get that Night City changes everybody. And inside here is the 65-watt charger with the Cyberpunk branding there on both sides. So you get the 65-watt charger just like you do in the regular OnePlus 8T. You get the cable here, which should have been yellow. I don't know why they did. Just like the OnePlus Nord should have been blue, but that should definitely be yellow. All right, so there you go. There's a good look at it. That's a sharp looking device. Really nice. Same weight. I think it's a little heavier, but you have that enormous camera module there with the game logo there, and then you get your Cyberpunk here on the bottom, which is kind of neat. Now, the cool thing I like about this, it has a boot animation on here, so check it out as we fire it up. You get the OnePlus logo, And then you get powered by Android there. But look at that, Cyberpunk. Look at that boot animation screen. Isn't that the coolest thing? Look at that. That's what I love about Android. Sorry, Apple, you don't give it to me. This one does. And look at that, you get the Samurai live wallpaper there. The Samurai band from the game, but that is so cool. And look at that neon yellow. And you get all, this comes with Hydrogen OS out the box. But you're gonna have to load up the Google Play Store on here because this is the Chinese version. So remember that if you do get this phone. Now this comes with the 865 Snapdragon processor. You get 120 Hertz display on here. You get the 65 watt charger, like I said before, which is great. But yeah, this is gonna run you a good penny here if you can find it, because they're hard to find. But I wanted to kind of show you guys on the channel. It has that frosted snowflake there on the back, which is kind of nice. And then you got your yellow there, details on the back there on each side, which is kind of nice. You get that frosted, you got Gorilla Glass on the front, but it's a really hot looking device. And look at that theme that you get from here. And a couple other things that you get on here as we go through here. You have like a themed fingerprint there. It's in yellow. And then you get the eye scanning logo when you unlock it. And then your Samurai band live wallpaper pops up, which is kind of cool. You also get some, if you go in here into your ringtones, you get some cool ringtones here that are Cyberpunk in-game ringtone there. That's kind of neat. And then you get your SMS. That thing will wake anybody up. That'll wake up a dog. So that is kind of neat. Also, if you go into your wallpapers, you have some wallpapers here. You have the Samurai band. You also have some other ones here. A blue, a green, a red, different colors here. So the Samurai one is kind of cool. So we'll leave that in there. So some kind of cool, neat things here. And like I said, you're gonna have to load up your Google Play apps. You're gonna have to sideload them because this is a Chinese version. So you're gonna have to go through that to make sure you get your Google apps. One of the cool things about this, you're wondering, does it come with a case? Well, check out this box. This box has like a little secret compartment on the bottom. Boom. And it comes with, well, first let's do the pin here, because it comes with a Cyberpunk pin. Look at that. Night City. Isn't that cool? Now this pin is, is a collectible. Each box of the Cyberpunk edition comes with a random pin that you'll get. They have different ones. I know that the YouTuber edition came with like 10 pins or something like that, but I didn't get that one. I only got this one from a buddy of mine. So, and here's the case. Now this is a very protective case designed for the Cyberpunk edition phone, this is a really nice case, which I really do like, because it has the perfect cutouts for your Cyberpunk edition. As you can see, it has the opening for the camera, covers up the back there, your frosted glass, but then it leaves the opening for your Cyberpunk there. So that's really groovy and really neat. I like that. Boom. This thing is pretty cool, man. It's got some cool stuff on it. But look, if you're gonna pick up this phone, it's gonna be around $1,000. You can get it as least, about $850 around there. If you keep looking, maybe Christmas time, somebody will be selling this on some third-party websites. But it is a Chinese exclusive, so you can only pick it up from China, import it in, or do something else, because it's not sold here in the United States. It's not sold on the OnePlus website, as you can see. So, but OnePlus did the McLaren edition. They also have done the OnePlus 6 Marvel edition back in the day. Samsung did a Star Wars edition, which was kind of neat. And also some other companies have done some sports editions and stuff like that. So, it's an interesting phone. it has it has all the same features as the OnePlus 8T that you can get for $749 here in the States. It has been on sale before Black Friday and after Black Friday, so you're gonna have to keep looking. Now the Cyberpunk 2077 game will be coming out in December for all your gaming consoles, PS4, 5, Xbox, PC games, that kind of thing. So, but hey man, it is a really cool phone. I really do like it. And follow me on Twitter at Android Stud, also on Instagram. If you got any questions about the phone, let me know. Really cool looking phone. I'm glad I was able to unbox it for you guys here on the channel. But like this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate you. I'll leave you with the boot animation as we head out. Peace, party people.